It up, Deara Nehemiah. This is the book of Nehemiah. Nehemiah was a cupbearer, a servant in the palace of the Persian king. And one day he heard some very bad news. Jerusalem, the city that he loved, lay in ruins, its walls broken, its gates burned. Nehemiah's heart broke, prayed to God, and when he had an audience with the king, he asked for permission to go to Jerusalem to rebuild the city walls, And amazingly, King Artaxerxes granted his request. When Nehemiah got the news, he left the palace, gathered supplies, and set out on his journey. And we can picture him riding his horse through the moonlight, inspecting the damaged walls of Jerusalem. Can you imagine the sight that met his eyes? The broken gates and the rubble all around? Yet something filled him with courage. The people were united and ready to work together to rebuild. And so the rebuilding began. But soon the enemies of Israel showed up. They mocked the Jewish people. They threatened to kill anyone who tried to rebuild the city. They even plotted to destroy the project. And how did Nehemiah and his team respond? They didn't give up. They didn't complain. Nehemiah told the people, "The God of heaven will give us success." And so they worked with one hand on the wall and one hand on their weapon, ready to defend themselves against the enemies. And I want you to notice something amazing. Despite all the danger and the threats, despite all the weariness, doubt, and discouragement, they rebuilt the wall in just 52 days. It was a miracle of determination and faith. When God gives you a task, no opposition can stop it. This is Nehemiah's legacy, a man who dared to dream of a better future for his people, who took the initiative to make that dream a reality. This is the message for you today. When God gives you a mission, no opposition can stop it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. May God bless you, and until next time,